comes a new challenger. Nani?
Yo, what's going on, family? Boy, come on in. Have a seat, relax. We're about to unbox something from a company that I think is an amazing company and is much needed, like in our day and age. So with that in mind, before I had this watch sent to me, I thought about one thing, and it was in 2023, there are a plethora of watch companies that you can choose from. So like this morning, I have on my Laurier, right? In my bag, I have an Invicta, and then I have a Spinnaker, and what else do I have in there? I got two. Man, I can just have watches with me. Yeah, I just carry my watches with me. I change out a lot, but I get to celebrate and take advantage of having watches readily available anywhere. I don't care what company. There are a ton of companies, man. So I'm just like thinking about when Rolex was created, right? Or Cartier. Like I said, it's early in the morning. Got breakfast. Yeah. Where was I? All right. So I'm trying to just wrap my mind around. There's no way. I just feel like there's no way that some of these watchmakers would have or just thought about people are going to be celebrating. They're going to be collecting my watches like crazy because, you know, back then, way back, you know what I'm saying, minimalistic style. But it was like, it was groundbreaking. It was so groundbreaking that they made a device. They were used to the clocks, Big Ben and things like that. Now you taking that where we can see, or like on train stations where you can see, and now it's on your wrist. That's amazing technology, right? So now we could just get it anything. We got eBay, we got Amazon, or wherever you buy it from, or from another collector. But all I know is the company that I chose for the watch to unbox today is from
What's in the box?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth. We are about to embark on history on this unboxing. And what I mean by that is, over time, there have been so many unboxings of different watches, and each unboxing that has ever been recorded on YouTube, in my opinion, is special because it just puts us in a realm of, it's just engineering history behind watchmaking and the enjoyment of what we take for granted on a regular basis. Okay, this thing is in there pretty tight. All right, get this out of here. And I know you guys hear in the background, there's a young man in here. He is very happy about whatever conversation he's having with the lady, the waitress. All right, so Spinnaker, all right, attention to detail. Let's go ahead and cut that off. All right, what do we have here? Ooh. Look inside the box first. You get into it. May be the extra strap. I think that's the strap. It's interesting they don't put it inside the box. It's not, okay. Get that off to the side. Okay, so Spinnaker box, limited edition. Move the sleeve off. Man, you know that is it's like a hero tag or something like that, man. I feel like this unboxing is like a Marvel movie or something like that, or Batman or something, or maybe Superman because of the colorway. Anyway. Pretty hard box. I really like the packaging. And there we have it. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Bradner. And there were 4 other colorways that I had to choose from. I could have choose from the company, but Mark from Long Island has been producing. He has his own watches, right, the Islanders, but he does collabs, and I actually have another watch, a collab of Phoebus, from the Phoebus company. And it's crazy because Phoebus is a Hong Kong based company. Spinnaker, also a Hong Kong based company. and this one is a compressor style. So let's go ahead and take this off real quick. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know who's in charge of wrapping these things. They do an amazing job. I actually had to call them back up to help me, and it still got plastic on. There we go. Now I got a smudge on it. Oh well. So after we go through all of that, what we have is a compressor style watch. And I actually, if you know what, if you go and Google compressor style watch, it'll tell you what it is. Like back in the day, the case had springs on it, so the deeper you go, it will increase the water resistance. This one though, however, does not have that. And again, if you want a professional dive watch, like something that's going to withstand like depths, there are other companies that do it. This one right here still holds up. It's like 600 meters of water resistance, which is good enough for us to go on vacation with, go, you know, swimming, snorkeling and stuff like that. I literally just left off a cruise that had, I think, several snorkeling events that you could have done. And this watch would have held up if I'd had it at that time. But y'all see, of all the ones that they have to offer, I went with the green because why not? This thing is beautiful, man. Look at those accents. Orange, that minty green color, and then the date window. The date window stands, man, that is, oh my gosh. So you got Spinnaker up at the 12 o'clock. And what do we have at the bottom? It's very light, but does this? No, that says automatic. Wait a minute. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna say, no, there's the Islander logo right there on the actual. Oh, that's dope. So you have, all right. So you have Spinnaker logo right here, Islander, and this is collaboration. Oh wow, look at the depth, man, and just taken in by everything this watch is, man. Now, when Mark debuted this watch about 3 weeks ago, I was impressed with this right here, this bracelet, beads of rice. Love that, man, and it has like a silky feel to it. If you've never experienced a beads of rice bracelet, this is it. Okay, Spinnaker right there. And I do have another Spinnaker watch, and you know, one thing about Spinnaker is they're inexpensive, and I've always asked myself if I was to collect outside, because you guys know I collect, majority of my watch collection is Invicta, and they're a lot larger. Oh wait, that was a dope. That was by accident. Y'all see that? Open. Reflected now off of this, there is sapphire crystal AR coating. But back to what I was saying, I've been collecting Invicta watches for a long time, and I've been used to that polarizing look, and I like colors, I like different, and if I was to collect outside the brand, you know, I always ask myself, where would I go? You know, just the type of collector I am. And this is it right here. I'm in love with this one, man. I just off the actual look. There go the information right there. Shows you sapphire crystal. Didn't lie about that. It's automatic movement. It's powered by the NH35, and Spinnaker does that black rotor. And my number, let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, that would have been dope if I got number 50. I got 44 of 50. So there's only 50 people that could collect this in the entire world, and I'm the 44th. And hey, I'll take it. But I think, man, I would love to either get a number 1 or the number 50, or the last number of a limited edition. I don't care what company it's from. But as far as this is concerned, pretty nice. There may still be some watches available. But one thing I do know about these collaboration watches, they do sell out. And I'll put a link down. When I filmed this video, there was still some available. So you can go check it out yourself. And hey, let me know what you guys think down in the description. Actually, there's some other colors. One colorway is gone. I know that one's sold out. I saw that one. It's sold out. So, yeah, I think this is pretty nice. Hold up, let me see. Yep, screw down crown, pretty smooth. It's basically NS35. Y'all know how that thing works. And if you don't, workhorse, pretty nice. Hacking, you see that? Pull that up. Boop. Fun watch. Okay, I got some sizing to do. Oh, before I go, I didn't show you what was in here. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Yo, okay, well, I saw when Mark actually showed this, and you know, he did one of these numbers where he put it up to the watch just to give you just show what it looks like. But yo, man, this is so crazy. Oh, I love it. Look at the texture. Oh, I love this, man. Oh, and I know we're at the end of summer. But who cares, man? This is crazy. Okay, all right. I gotta go size this thing, y'all. I will have a full review. Give me a couple. Man, look, I'm behind times, man. I got a couple of watches ahead of this one that's queued. Y'all tell me what y'all think in the description, man. Y'all go ahead, man. Load that comment section up, man. I'll leave a link to this if it's still available. Hopefully it's still available, man. Go get one, man. Let me know what you think of it, man. Hey, until the next Lightning Strike, family, y'all be blessed.